How to use dual SIM card on Android. First of all, you need to insert both SIM cards. Simply power off your phone before inserting the SIM cards, and then the SIM card tray is usually on the side of the phone. It may require a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to open. After that, you need to insert the SIM cards. Place the SIM cards into the tray according to the tray's design and reinsert the tray into the phone. Once done, you can power on your phone after inserting the SIM cards. The second step, you need to reset up your dual SIM settings. Go to settings on your device. Then tap on the mobile network and internet. After that, here you will see the option for SIM cards. You can easily see the options for managing both the SIM cards. Here, what you can do is simply you can tap on the particular SIM and you can change the SIM name or the SIM number. You can easily toggle on the button in order to enable that SIM on your device. Once you do that, you can easily use the dual SIM features as well. While making the calls or sending messages, you can usually choose which SIM to use if both are enabled. The SIM card selected for data will be used for internet connectivity. You can switch between SIMs if needed. So by following all the steps, you can easily use dual SIM card on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.